Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just maps not working on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. If you're using Wi-Fi, just open Wi-Fi, just check if you're successfully connected to your Wi-Fi network. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, sometimes it also helps. You can try to turn off Wi-Fi and turn on again. So after, just go to the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And another thing you can try, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, you can try to go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on reset, and here you will see reset all settings. So just tap on it and submit resetting all settings. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.